I don't know what's wrong, but look, I have fuel. I try to prime it here. It's making this noise, the other one doesn't. And look, there is no fuel in the primer whatsoever, nothing in there. So it's not pulling up the fuel. I don't see anything in the hoses either, and it won't start. Also, I have no idea the choke, pull, push, anything, and to pull for the choke to work, but it doesn't. It seems to be stuck, completely stuck. I've tried this with both hands and it just won't move, won't budge at all, and the engine won't start. I suspect the petrol is just not getting in to the engine based on the primer there that doesn't show any sign of fuel. I paused the video and I decided to pull these out. Look, this is severed. There's nothing. It's not even long enough to reach the fuel. So there's your problem. It will never start. Someone either cut this or tampered with it in some way, but it's just going in to the tank that much and it will not pick up any fuel, which makes sense. So I'm looking inside the tank. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the line is there. It's severed. I'm going to try to pull that out and replace it, see if it works. But I mean, as I said, if it were refurbished, I would imagine someone would have tested this and found this. So let's see, I replaced the fuel line with a temporary one, at least to try to start the engine. Let's see if it primes now. I don't see fuel in the line, so I don't know if it is priming or not. No, it does seem to be. Now we have fuel in there. So let's close it up and see if it works. Got them back together. So turn on here and let's see if I can start it. Choke here would work, maybe.